Welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at Harbor Freight, the deals, the sales that they got going on this week. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, we're going to be looking at the new miter saw that they have on sale, or the new miter saw that they recently released. This is the as it is table. Pretty much $169 for this pole saw, which is not a bad deal if you're already on the Atlas battery platform. So these are great tools, power tools for the yard. And then they got the electric winch there for, looks like $59.99. It says 2,000 pounds marine winch. And then they had this a mixer. You know, a few days back I was looking for a mixer because I was doing a project around the house and I couldn't find one. But yeah, I guess they have one here. $135. It's a smaller mixer. It's only like a one bag mixer basically. So if you need a mixer, you can pick up one of these. They're usually not that expensive, like $150, $160. You got that one for $87.49. It's the Banks roofing nailer. And they got this. This is the 80-volt chainsaw. And they got another winch down there. Pretty much the same price as the other one on the front. But yeah, this chainsaw was $123.49. Not too bad. Like I said, if you're already on the line. Yeah, I wanted to get this because I got another project coming up, but I don't know if I'm gonna be using this one or if I want to get that one or the bigger one, because they do have two different ones here at Harbor Freight. They're not that much far expensive. So they're running this deal. You pretty much save $25 if you buy a battery charger and a bag, or a battery charger and a tool. You get $25 off. As you guys see, they do have the screwdriver for $39.99. The drill for $39.99. Those are all 12 volt, by the way. That's the new light that they just came out with, $59.99. 27-hour runtime. Probably on low. And it is hybrid, so you can connect it with an extension cord to the back or a battery. So you guys see there. That's the other handheld light, $44.99. Looks like it's 2,000 lumen. So yeah, those are new lights, by the way. They just came out. Got all types of accessories there, and then they got the light there, $44.99. Got a hole dozer kit there for $59.99, $57.99, and then another light there for $27.99. That's the Bauer section. I got another hole dozer there kit, or like a hole saw kit for $29.99. A blower for $49.99. A job site blower. And they got another light there, 200 lumens, very similar to the Joby or the other one. So not too bad. And then I got this Carbide grid hole saw set, $34.99. Then they got this one for $37.99, which is a bigger kit. It's a bimetal. Now they had the smaller one for $22, and then they had this one carbon steel for $16.99. The bigger kit and the smaller for $9.99. So if you're just doing a small project, I guess this will work great. You got 3/4 all the way to 5 inches. So definitely some nice sizes there. And they got this heavy duty mobile miter saw stand for $99. This is pretty much the basic one they got. It does have some wheels in it, if you guys see. So I mean, if you got a nice miter saw and you don't want to spend so much, then you can spend it on this one for $99. So, and they have this. If you're in the Inside Track Club, you can get this for $32.99. Looks like a heat gun from Bauer. Regular price $37.99. Then they had this pipe bender. It looks like a new item that they have. 6-ton hydraulic pipe bender from Central Machinery. $179.99. Not on sale. That's regular price. I'm pretty sure there'll be coupons out there. And then they have the glove section was pretty much empty. They just have these cheap gloves, or not the cheap, but the thinner. 14 looks like $14.99 there. And they had this one on sale. It's a small welder, $179.99. You can go up to 3/16, I believe. So I guess 18 gauge to 3/16. Titanium. I need to get myself one of these welders to start learning how to weld instead of paying somebody else. So you can say 18 gauge, 16 gauge, 14 gauge, 12 gauge, 10 gauge, and 3/16 gauge. So, and then I had these clamps. These clamps are great. I worked with these clamps before. They're really solid. $11.99. You can use a 20% off coupon on these, and they'll work fine. I mean, they're really solid. It's a little bit better than black ones. I have this box 56 by 22 for $6.79. Looks really nice. It does have the not the self closing, but the soft closing. Something that I did not notice that on the 72-inch box, but I did notice it on this one. I don't know if they just put it on this one, or they include it in all the boxes, or I don't know. But it does have like a nice cushion stop there when you close or when you slam the drawer. So you guys see there like a soft close. And then this one's a really nice box too. I really like this big drawer on the top. Deep and long drawer. But the thing I didn't like is that it slams in there. It doesn't have like a rubber stop. Still a really nice box though. $74.99 regular price. It's down to $59.99 if you're in the Inside Track Club. For like a polisher. Then this, I do have this one. I don't know if they fixed it, but it's trash basically. It leaks all over the place. You turn on the water, you get pretty much spraying all over, up, down, sideways, everything. So don't buy it. $349 is 4,375 max starting generator. So if that's on sale, they didn't have any there when I filmed this video. Then they had this one for $119. Then they had that one for $150.89 or something like that. But yeah, might as well just get the one from clearance. They had this one. I do have it. Works really well. It saved me a lot of money. I got this for $99, forward or reverse with that handle, and worked really good. It saved me a lot of money. So yeah, it's good quality there. I use it a lot in my house. I have an older house. And then that's the replacement wire. So if you need to replace it, which I do need to replace it, because like I said, I used it a lot. I lent it like 4 or 5 times already to different people, and I used it I would say about 8 times already. And if you guys haven't seen my videos of me using it, you could go to my channel, Toolhead147, and check them out. Got this Apex winch from Badland. Really nice. $4.99. It's on sale. Definitely check it out if you're on the off-roading, or if you need it for a trailer or something. This one's really nice. It does come with the synthetic rope, as you guys see there. So it's less dangerous than the cable. Cables are really dangerous. Looks like a lever that they got here if you want to release it. And they got the winch mounting bracket there. Up to 12,000 pound Badland winches. So if you need something like that. Then they had this. This is one of the newer items. It's like a small stool. They come in different colors. $7.99. There's the black one, gray one, and then white, I guess. It's a Franklin one-step folding stool. Up to 300 pounds of capacity. That's a nice little stool there. It's the anti-fatigue match, $8.99. That's the white color. And they had this, the 14 feet ladder. It does fold into a really small compact size. I didn't see the price on that one, but this is the one that I want to get. The hands-free portable workstation. It's like a jaw horse. I definitely need to get something like this for the channel, because now that I did a few movements around my house, and I don't have a shop. Currently, I don't have a shop because I'm doing some remodels, and I need to do videos outside, so I need something like that. So $4.99 for this light, 215 lumen. It's a really nice light. The only bad thing is that it does take double A's, and I really like my rechargeable lights. This is the 65 lumen for $4.99 pocket light. I really like rechargeables better. I'm not a fan of replacing batteries there. $15.99 for the 50 feet by 14 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cords. They didn't have any here, but I'm just showing you guys. So if you can find it at your store, make sure you guys get it. It's on $15.99 on sale. And I got these vacuums, these Bauer vacuums, $59 for the 9-gallon wet and dry. And then they had this one for $44.99. And just to remember, everything ends on 12/31. So by the end of this week, it's gonna end. So you guys got a couple days here. Basically, I know I should have done this. I should have done this way before. But yeah, you guys got actually today and tomorrow to pick up these sale prices. This is a really nice vacuums here. Anyways, that's... Oh, actually, you know what? This one's HVLP handheld paint sprayer 69. Looks really nice. Yeah, it looks like a really nice paint sprayer. And this is a new brand that they just come out with, so it's very comparable to the Graco. Quick, easy, clean. Then they got this charger for $5.99, automatic float charger. I wouldn't recommend you guys, put that on your expensive car, but you guys, if you have a lawnmower or something like that, and you want to, put it in a float charger. Now this one's a really nice one. It does start a V8. I do have a few videos on it. I didn't pay the $89.99. I wouldn't pay the $89.99. Usually you can get that for like $70 on sale. So $199 for this jack. It's on sale. It's a really nice jack, very comparable to the Snap-on. Probably the same thing as the Snap-on. So you guys see the box there. So really nice toolboxes from Yukon. Pretty much the home grade use. Really nice, beautiful colors. You got the stainless or the polished, and then the blue, and then the wood top on the top. So that one was locked. I couldn't get it unlocked. Yeah, I tried it. I tried it to get it unlocked and feel the drawers. So you got this one for $44.99. It's a 13-piece, half-an-inch dry professional deep sockets. So really nice. I do have some sockets from Nikon. They work really good. $37.99 for a 13-piece, half-an-inch dry professional. And then they had this for $33.99, the 12-piece set. 3/8 dry professional deep sockets. And they had these, the 12-piece 3/8 dry professional sockets. $29.99. Then they had the blue one, or the white one on the other side. It looks really nice. Fairly nice. I like the drawers. I like that long drawer that it has on the top. It's not a deep drawer, but still, for a homeowner, for DIY. Nice little toolbox here. Nice little toolbox from Yukon. Then they had this one for $14.99, half-an-inch, 25-inch professional breaker bar. I definitely recommend this for you guys. This is one of the top selling items from Harbor Freight. I do have one. It worked just as well. There's a lot of reviews out there. Compare them to the Snap-on. 25 inch, you're gonna get your leverage there. The best for bang for your buck on that breaker bar. $32.99 for the 7 1/4 12 amp heavy duty circular saw with the laser. This is for a DIY light duty use. I would definitely recommend if you're on a platform, buy your own battery platform circular saw. But if you don't have any battery platforms, any batteries, battery cordless tools, then you can get that one. You got this folding miter saw stand for $49.99. It's a really small one. It's a 10. It's only for the smaller miter saws, 10-inch or less. So it is a smaller miter saw stand, just to let you know. So for $49.99. And then this is the newest circular saw that they have, or miter saw stand, or miter saw, my bad. That's the Bauer. Really like the finish on this. Really like the quality. Harbor Freight's coming out with these amazing miter saws. And one thing I like about this miter saw is that it doesn't have the bevel on the back. It has the bevel on the front. As you guys see there, I'm grabbing the bevel lever. So even the angle, it's on the front, as you guys see, the plastic one. And then the metal one's the bevel. You got everything on the front. You don't even have to reach to the back to change the angles of the angle, or the bevel angle, or just the regular angle. So that's one plus about this one. The only downside is the price. This one has the same features on it. This one's the one I used to have. I had it for quite a while. I work with it. It has the same features as the other one. Those are the only two saws that have that feature, the bevel on the front and the angle on the front. So they have both. It's a miter saw stand, the Hercules. But yeah, that's a really nice saw. Definitely recommend it. It does have a laser and a light. Yeah, professional rolling miter saw stand from Hercules. Yeah, this one has right there. It has the bevel. It was hard because they pretty much have it tied down somewhere. It's hard to move it. But yeah, so you guys see the light there. Yeah, you guys got to check these out. These are really nice. If you're a homeowner, DIY heavy duty, or heavy, if you do a lot of DIY products, this is a great miter saw for you. Even this one or the Admiral. But if you want top of the line, you gotta go Hercules. Hercules is the compared professional level. But yeah, these will do great. I really like the extension their base. Really nice. And then they got a quick release, I guess, for this. I'm not really a fan of that, but price is a little too expensive though. They gotta wait for a sale or something that goes down in price. This one's $369. Actually, they had it on sale for like $319 over the holidays. So that is a professional level miter saw. Really nice. You notice how it doesn't have the dual bevel on the front. It has it all the way to the back, but it's still a really nice professional level saw. Very accurate. Really nice. Very comparable to the DeWalt. Yeah. If I could afford it, I would get this one, definitely. As you guys see, it does have the bevel on the back. The other ones have that lever on the front. So, really convenient. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one.